Sassenach Quilts. Well, today is the 6th of September, so what does that mean in Newcastle? The Newcastle Quilt Show by Governor Shows. Fantastic time there. Oh my goodness me, there was so much to see. I'm going to put a film in afterwards of me talking about all the quilts, because the actual quilt show itself was wonderful. But I forgot to do any videoing while I was there, so I thought, well, we'll get home, show you what I've got as well from the haul and from all the different stalls that were there, and show you how, and explain to you and show you what I'm going to do with them. Okay, so just going to come forwards and show you what we've got. So the first thing we got is this fantastic William Morris upholstery fabric. It's really thick. This was from Roy's Material World, based in Leicester, who were at the show. And this is 2 meters, and this is going to make some cushions for the lounge. Really, really, really excited about it, because we've got this sort of Marley wallpaper in the lounge, this colour, and it's just going to ping and pop against it. It's going to be fantastic. Really, really love it. Really, really pleased with that. This is I'm not sure if it will show up on the camera. Maybe not. This is a white on white. I can just about see it. This is a white on white pattern that's kind of creamy with the white on. And we've got 5 yards of that to be the background on a quilt for my cousin Carrie, who will be absolutely delighted that it's her turn. And then we've got some notions here that are superb. This is wool and thread and hand dyed and hand painted thread from Katie's Cloth. And this is going to go into the thistle quilt, and I'll put all the links to these different people in the description box below. This bit here and the zip, which has the toggles on and everything, that is from Ooh La La Fabrics, which we really like as well. And as you can see, this is very Ooh La La, and this is going to be slithers of delight and sequins in the thistle quilt. The 2 glide threads are, the colours we have are Flamingo Pink and Bloom, and they were from Pinhole Quilting, which is a long arm company, and also very well known in the quilting world. And these can actually be used on, these are 1,000 meters, I think. Yes, these are 1,000 meters, and these can be used on the domestic machines as well. You just put them by, if you haven't got a thingy, you just pop them down like that and thread it up and through, and then it will fit on your domestic machine as well. So that is the haul. Very, very exciting news with that. So I hope you enjoy the video afterwards that we've put together with set to some music of the different quilts in the show. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ding that bell for notifications. Thank you to Kelly, who at the show noticed I had my fleece on, and she has subscribed. So Kelly, thank you, and I've subscribed you back. And brilliant, 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 brilliant. Take care, everybody. See you again soon. Bye.